Tamil Nadu, the investor's paradise. India is a land of rich natural resources and diverse climatic conditions, with strong market fundamentals and highly conducive business environment for greater global participation. One of the fastest growing economies in the world, India is the 7th preferred investment destination according to an UNCTAD survey. Of all the Indian states, Tamil Nadu is the fastest growing state economy. With its consistent growth, Tamil Nadu is a paradise for global investors. It holds 17% of state share of India's factories, 16% of state share in India's industrial workforce, and 11% share of the industrial output. The state contributes more than 8,000 megawatts of renewable energy, about 28%, the highest percentage by an Indian state, holds 15% of India's port capacity, and is the second largest GDP contributor of the country at 8.4%. With 48.5% population living in urban areas, Tamil Nadu is India's most urbanized state by geography and population. Tamil Nadu ranks first in terms of domestic tourist arrivals, second in foreign tourist arrivals in the country, and third in terms of cumulative FDI flows. Tamil Nadu, with the highest number of technical universities, beckons opportunities for global investors. The Tamil Nadu government has allotted about 48,000 acres of additional land for industries. With business opportunities in textiles, automobile and auto ancillary, biotech and pharmaceuticals, aerospace, renewable energy, heavy engineering, IT and ITES, electronic hardware and infrastructure, Tamil Nadu boasts of a strong urban, social and educational infrastructure. Different businesses, different people and a whole lot of dreams, Tamil Nadu opens up a world of business opportunities across diverse sectors. To expand the growth prospects of the state and to showcase it as the most preferred investment destination, the government of Tamil Nadu is organizing Global Investors Meet in Chennai in 2015 as it prepares to roll out the red carpet to investors around the globe, realizing the state's vision to seek growth in employment, regional development, and an all-inclusive growth through investment inflows. So, if you're looking to partner, gain, and grow, GIM 2015 is the place to be.